Hey everyone, welcome back. Did the option to watch an ad for extra lives or boosters suddenly disappear from Candy Crush? Here's exactly what's going on and what you can try. First, know that King has confirmed the video ad feature for free lives and boosters is an ongoing test feature, meaning it isn't available to every player on every device at the same time, and it can come and go without warning even if nothing's wrong with your account. To rule out a setting issue on your end, go to settings and then scroll to the list of apps and find Candy Crush Saga or just directly search for it. Next, check that cellular data and background app refresh are both turned on. Since ad content needs active connection to load, then force close the Candy Crush app completely from your recent apps by swiping it away. Wait for a few hours and then reopen it. After that, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone stores and find Candy Crush in the list of apps. Tap on it, offload app. Once you offload it, go to the app store, search for Candy Crush Saga and then reinstall it. If ads still do not appear after that, it's very likely the test feature simply isn't active for your account right now, so keep playing normally and check back periodically since King rotates who has access to it. So all you gotta do is check your connection settings, offload and reinstall to rule out a cage issue, but no, this is a rotating test feature that may simply not be active for you right now, and that's it. Subscribe.